Hello Fam Bam, it's Sienna. Today we're doing a new review of some hair extensions and Merry Christmas, you guys. It's Christmas. I'm so excited. I am wearing my all green outfit with some green eyeshadow. You guys know I like to go all out for the holidays. But before we get started, make sure that you are subscribed and of course, subscribe to my OnlyFans where you can see all the naughty content you can no longer see here on YouTube. Okay, so today I am reviewing a new hair company called E-litchi Hair. I've never worked with them before, so we're gonna check them out. I am going to go back in time to when I first got the package and opened it up and showed first impressions. Then I'm going to work on the hair and come back and show you what I did
last week.
Obviously right now I have horrible roots because I just can't seem to get anybody to come to my house to do it. So please excuse the horrible roots. But here we have these two products we're trying today, clip-in extensions, and then this one I think is a ponytail. So let's start with the ponytail. I love that you can see it from the front. You can just, you know what you're getting right away. Oh, and they give you little bobby pins, cute. Cute little touch, okay. All right, now let's get it out of this little hairnet situation. Oh, okay, it feels pretty soft. It's like your typical 613 blonde, which is that very like yellow sun-kissed blonde. Right away, it looks like it's much thicker here and then starts thinning out around here. Okay, so this is 100% human hair, 234 grams, 22-inch ponytail. I'm just used to some long ass ponies, you know, the ones that I normally get. All right, so let's try this on. So it's got a clip in the back. This clip is actually really tiny, but we're gonna try this, okay? And then there's Velcro that holds it around. We're gonna take the clip, stuff it into the base of the ponytail, and wrap this pony around. Velcros, okay, got it. And then you just pull it all the way around and it hides that area between your hair and the ponytail. Oh, it's actually kind of cute. It just doesn't exactly match completely because I need to tone it. I'm not even mad at this texture, which is like this crimpy, cute kind of wavy texture, which I would totally rock this in this texture if it was the right color. Okay, so my battery had died and it was just a wrap. So anyway, in its original form was far too yellow and needed to be toned. So what did I do? I got it toned, sister. So that is why now the hair looks much better, far less yellow, and matches my hair color a lot more than it did before. It's still a little bit yellow, like it could be toned one more time, but for all intents and purposes, it's pretty good for right now. So we're gonna try this on. They have been washed, blow dried, and flat ironed so that you can see like the actual quality of this ponytail now without the crazy curls that were in it. So it looks a lot better. It looks shiny, girl. I love when people do this to hair. Like a hair commercial. Oh my god, my hair looks so cute like this with a blazer. Ooh, I'm so glad I finally got my hair done, you guys. I have been searching for somebody who will come to my house to do my hair. Finally, my girl Ashley did it. So if you are in the Long Beach area or anywhere in Orange County, I'm sure she will come to you as well. It was a struggle, girl. So here is the pony. Now, please don't pay attention to this hair right here because hair that's growing out from the bottom of my neck. Look at the pony, not the underneath of my head. So here you can see. I think it matches pretty good. It's really cute. It's very lightweight, so it's not gonna give you a headache. And if your hair is thin, it will blend really, really well. It's just gonna add a little bit more volume. Definitely for somebody that wants a thinner ponytail, this is not gonna be like a luscious, massive, huge pony, but they're very, very heavy on your head. And if you haven't worn one before, they give you incredible headaches because it's just so much weight on your head. This looks natural. This looks like a real ponytail. Like if my hair was actually long, this is what it would look like. So it is definitely for somebody who wants a more natural effect, not like a big, fabulous, like drag queen glamorous look. Do you know what I mean? Not that it's not glamorous, because we're always glamorous, but you know, just trying to explain the difference between this one and like another one that maybe is like $400, so you know why. The hair quality is really good. It's beautiful, it's shiny.